Hello there. Planning on learning Java? Writing a lot of code? That's nice. But in order to do that, we'll first have to set up your computer to understand all that code and give you some place to write all that code. This is exactly what we'll be covering in this video. It's a two-step procedure. Number one, we'll be downloading JDK and Eclipse, and number two, we'll be installing them. In order to download JDK, go into your browser, type JDK download, click on the first link, click on JDK download, all the way down. You see this Windows x64 installer. Click on this, click on I reviewed, click on the download button. Hit save. This should start your download. So that's it with the JDK download. Let's go for the Eclipse one. Eclipse download. Go to the first link and click the download x86_64 one. Once that's done, click on download. And once you hit save file, this should begin your download as well. Once both of these files are downloaded, you'll see two of these out here. So this is your JDK, this is your Eclipse installer. So let's get on to the installation part for the JDK. Double click this file, hit yes, and that's a prompt for your administrator access. Then open this. Since it's already installed in my system, that's why I'm getting this prompt. You will not be getting this prompt. I'll just hit yes. Click next. This is a path. I prefer to keep it the default path. That's up to you. What do you want to keep? Hit next. And this should do the installation part. And that's it for the JDK. Now let's move on to the Eclipse installer. So double click this. Select the first one, that is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now out here, you can choose any installation path that you need. But for this one, the Java 11 plus 1 VM, as it says, it needs 11 plus. So either go for this or you can choose any of this, that is 15, 14, anything. Just make sure to keep it 11 plus. Once you do that, hit install and it'll take care of the rest for you. Once that's done, you'll see this Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and that's pretty much it. So good job on installing JDK and Eclipse on your system. We'll move on to the coding part from the next video. Good job, congratulations.